Good evening. Today is Wednesday, November the 4th. Sectional tournament, day 2. Still in the winner's bracket, we've got Spring Valley versus Cabell Midland. Spring Valley has dominated the matchup throughout the year. See if Cabell Midland can pull one off tonight. Good effort by number 32, Mackenzie Darby, to keep that ball in play. Good volley right off the bat. Lack of communication, ball's in the net. Spring Valley draws first blood. Kara Cole serving for Valley. Darby with the big swing on offense and gets another chance. Good blocking by Grayson Hanna. I think he had a net on Ross. 3-0 Valley. Good play by Kara Cole. That ball looked down and she just went to the floor and brought it up. Nice pass. Got out, Cabell Midland. Kinder girls going to be switching out again tonight. Grace having a little problem with her back. And her sister Caroline's going to come in and fill in for her. Back row attack by Lakin, and there's nobody there. Carolyn Ball gets the roll. One of 4 seniors on the team. Looking to go deep into the state tournament. Long serve, 42, Valley. Maggie Livingston back to serve. Carolyn Ball finds the corner. Grace Brumfield checks in. Lunsford serving, Tommy Lunsford. Lakin Bailey puts the ball down. Beth Ann Flynn in the game, defensive specialist, senior, number 14. Brumfield's up for the block, but it goes out of bounds. Bellamy hits deep. Give Allison McClure another chance to serve. 7-3 Valley. Nobody behind the block that time. Right next door in the losers bracket, we've got Huntington playing Logan. One of those teams will go home after this match. The other one will play the loser of the Spring Valley Cabell Midland match. That one's out of bounds. The winner of this match stays in the winner's bracket and will have to beat twice tomorrow to lose the tournament. But two teams will go to the regionals from the four that are here tonight. Bellamy gets a kill. Got to get her fired up in that front row. She brings the heat. Keeps the other team off balance. Keeps them out of system. Carolyn ball serving, nice serve. That'd be close. Good idea to play it if you're not sure. Ashley Stewart with the swing for Spring Valley, number 8. Back to Bailey. Bailey gets the kill and a chance to serve. 10-4, Valley. Kill for Brumfield. Just to stay one on the outside. Her favorite position. She's playing middle now. Callie Bellamy back to serve. Gets an ace. Third receive error for Lakin Bailey. Lakin's one of the seniors for Spring Valley. The McClure twins are also seniors. Allison and Ashton. Serve Stewart. Tried to sneak one over the net. Didn't make it. (11 serving 6). Ashton McClure serving. Libero for Spring Valley. Another kill for Brumfield. Hannah Ross back in to play front row. Grace Brumfield back for her first serve. Coach says 2. Ross nails the back corner. The coach is calling 2 last time, looking for the short serve up in front of the server. See if we go back, try to go back to the same place. Maggie Livingston gets a kill. Maggie plays a great middle for Spring Valley. Not a lot of height, but plays about 4 inches taller than what she is. Does a good job in there. Neither team really has a lot of height out there today. I don't know if we called the tip or not. I thought I saw one. Kinder back in to serve. Caroline Kinder. Good effort, a couple attempted digs, but just couldn't get it over the net. Another miscommunication for Midland. And another. Kind of late in the season to be seeing that. Free ball to Spring Valley. Ball hits out of bounds. 15-9. On the line. Ball's in. Tricky when the ball hits the top of the net, but it looked like they were caught off guard. 15-10. Long serve for Valley. Brings Caitlin Hall back. Nice block and drop by Hannah Ross. Good effort for Tandem after the block by Ross and Kinder. Livingston with another kill. And she gets the serve. That's a lift. And Jessica Trislett, a new medal in the game. Bellamy pushes to the corner and gets the score. Got a net on Spring Valley. Spring Valley wants a timeout. We'll check it out. Cabell Midland has made a run, brought it back 16-4. 16-14. Take a quick look at the Huntington-Logan game. Huntington's in the lead. Logan's got a long trip. We're here last night, back again today. Brian McComas is the down ref today. Kevin Vickers is up in the chair. I guess it's really a chair because he doesn't get to sit down. Up on the ladder. Lunsford serving. Bailey hammers it. Too hot to handle for Grace. Gotta get that body turned. Get those feet moving. McClure back to serve. And Crisler puts one down. She could see that one coming and was ready. Overpass to the setter. Big middle Evans loves to see that. Miscommunication on Valley's side. Carolyn Ball back to serve. And that ball's long. 2 serving errors for the night. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it's 19-15. 2 easy points for the other team. McClure tries to sneak it across on the second hit, but they were ready for it. Timeout, Cabell Midland. Coach Brumfield wants to talk about it. These teams used 1 timeout. We're at 20-15. Go back to the Huntington game. Looks like Sarah Williams serving. And this is set point, 24-14. Somebody was in the net, no call. Erica Foley gets the kill and the point. Spring Valley takes the first one by 11. Playing for a chance to come out of the losers bracket. They win that one, another one, and they're headed to regionals on Saturday. As soon as Howard and Kevin get done talking here, we'll get back to the game. Sydney Chapman, Tori Kelly. Hi, Tori. Brighton Ledman, some of our JV players. Cabell Midland's dug a hole. See if they can get out of it. Bellamy with the kill. Blocked by Grace Brumfield. 3 ball. Oh, and a bad pass. Kaylin Hall with the kill. Ivy with the tip. Caught the defense off guard. (22-17), Kara Cole serving. Good scramble by Valley, but they ran out of hits. 18-22. Ball back in for front row. Kinder coming in to serve. She's got her work cut out for her. Midland needs 4 or 5 points right here to get back in this game. Claire Ferguson in on defense, receiving that serve. Coach wants to talk about it, kind of a sloppy play there. Got to try to get in system. Get your pass set and then a hit. You throw the free ball to Spring Valley and they're going to send it back at you. Started this game 0-0. Good block for number 11, Abby for Huntington. (23-18). Like Darby back to serve. Oh, missed serve for Valley. She left the door open. Set her out. Good up by McClure. What a nice play. Defense has really picked it up. Good effort by Grace to get that ball up. And another good job off the block. Hannah thought she saw a corner, but Tara was ready for it. Good volley. Yep, we got a lift. Best action by both teams for the night. Maybe they'll get warmed up here. 20-23. Another point for Midland. And Spring Valley wants to talk about it. 21-23. Pretty good crowd out tonight. The Spring Valley crowd. What we need is for these guys to get a little loud. Kind of quiet over in the student section. It's kind of quiet over in the student section. Come on, get up. There you go. They're like, who's the idiot behind the camera? What's he trying to tell us? A little better. Out of bounds. A little long. Set point. Spring Valley. Valley staying on the offense and Midland's battling. It's a hard way to go, but they pulled that one out. 22-24, Lunsford serving. Spring Valley takes the first one. It's a best of 3. We'll switch sides and do it again.